Gawa tayo ng tupig. Glutinous flour. 4 cups. And 1 cup ng brown sugar. 2 tablespoons ng butter. Salt. And 2 cups ng pakang gata. And fresh shredded coconut. At balat-balat. Ayan. 4 cups of glutinous rice. Glutinous rice. Salt. 1 teaspoon. Mix natin. Saka natin ilagay yung coconut. Then, shredded coconut. 1 cup. Ayan. Lagyan na natin si butter. Lagyan natin ng butter. Everything tastes good with the butter, guys. And of course, coconut milk. Kakang gata or coconut milk. 1 and 1/4 muna. Then, let's mix natin. Patience, guys. Patience. Be patient pag haluin, pero mag-ano to. The more you stir it, mag-ano siya, magtutubig. So, the sugar and coconut. Ganyan lang siya. But it's okay. Mix lang siya, halo-halo lang. Malapit na siya, guys. Mixing. It's almost, yeah. Looks good. Looking good, guys. Looking good. There you go.